Hi guys, today we're not doing a gardening video, we're doing something different. We're putting a new cover on the iPhone 16 Pro. So my daughter and I both have iPhone 16 Pros. We got each other for Christmas and we got bamboozled into the whole thing of being at the Apple store, and they're like, oh, let us put the cover on for you. And it's under warranty, blah, blah, blah. And it's so convenient, so I'll do it here for you. But she cracked her phone. See this crack right here? I know it's hard to see, but anyway, it's cracked. And they took it into the Apple store and they're like, oh, well, you have to fill out the warranty form and then we can't do it here for you. So it's like a whole thing. So a whole month later, we mailed in the warranty information and finally we got the screen protector in the mail. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. It's actually pretty easy. And I did it for my phone already, so I thought I'd make a video to show people. And you don't have to go to the Apple store. It's like the same thing they do with the machine, but it comes in this cute little kit. And yeah, so let's just show you how to do it. Pretty. You take it out of the case, first of all, and you should just kind of clean your table to make sure you have a nice, clean, dust-free surface. Try not to, I have my hair up, trying to dust all over it. And then you take off this thing, this guy here, whoop. Oh wait, actually before I take it off, I'm gonna open this package and get it ready. Ha, here's the stuff. And then if you forget how to do it, or you don't know how to do it, there's little instructions. So that makes it easy. Got this ready, got the cleaning cloth, got this guy. And then, wait, let me take this out too, to like have it ready. Wait, does this get dusty? No, okay. There. All right, so I have the three stuff ready. The phone, the cleaning pad, and oops, sorry, danger thing. We're gonna put a new something on there too. Okay, so first you take this guy off with the crack thing. Definitely, I don't think it's worth $30, but oh well, we already did it. And then, oh, it does cover the warranty, like if you crack the inside. I think that's why we got it. But anyways, okay. So now I can really see the cracks because I cracked this some more. It's garbage. Throw away, boink. And then you clean this, any dust, and wipe it off, okay? It's actually not too dusty. I see little dust flakes. Okay, and then it comes with this dust removal thing. How do I do it? Okay. And peel it, and you put this on here to remove any extra little bits of dust. Okay. Now, leave that there, because we're gonna peel that right off. And then from here, we're gonna put it on here. So just go like this. And wait, let me see. Let me remember how to do this. Pull. Oh yeah, okay, got it. Okay, nice and clean, doink. And then you just line it up here. Boink, there it is. And then you go like this. Okay, don't press on it, but like hold it like this. And it's just like the machine in the Apple store. It's going like this, and you pull. Boink. Hello. There you are. Boink. Ta-da. And then you wait a couple of seconds. You want to pause it? Okay. And then now you just take it out. Doink. Wait, why is it making a weird sound? Okay, and then there it is. And okay, there's tiny little bubbles, but it's okay because you can just take your little cloth here. And see, there's like a tiny little bubble there. Just push it out. And that's it. Okay, and then you just push out the butt, if there's any little bubbles, but overall, looks really good and it's nice and clean. So like you had it done at the Apple store, but you did it at home and you saved you a trip to the store and waiting for those people to give you a hard time and make you wait. But anyways, ta-da, all good and beautiful. Okay, good job guys.